National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Crockett County in West Tennessee, Southeastern Weakley County in West Tennessee, Central Gibson County in West Tennessee, Northwestern Carroll County in West Tennessee, until 2 p.m. At 1:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Humboldt, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Humboldt, Milan, McKenzie, Trenton, Huntington, Gleason, Bradford, Atwood, Treasavant, Gibson, McLemoresville, Tucker's Corner, Quincy, Gibson Wells, Cades, New Enterprise, Ledbetter, Stafford Store, Brazil, and Vaughn's Grove. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following county: Weakley, Tennessee,